Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at linear expansion, and the question says, an iron railway is 10 meters long at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Question, what would be the length of a railway when the temperature increases to 57 degrees Celsius? The coefficient of linear expansion of iron is 1.2 times 10 to the power negative 6 per degree Celsius. That is per degree Celsius, and the information that we've been given here is one, the length, which is the original length, which is 30 meters, which is at temperature T1, which is 27 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is increased to 57. So our T2, 57 degrees Celsius. And then the coefficient of linear expansion is 1.2 times 10 to the power negative 6 per degree Celsius. And this is the data. So this is the data that we have. And what we want to find is the length of a railway when the temperature increases. So this is, we are going to use the relation that we know, which is L is equal to the linear expansion coefficient, which is this, times the original length times the change in time, in temperature. And this, we are going to, we know that the change in length, it is simply the L, which is the new L with the new length, minus the original length, which is equal to the coefficient of linear expansion times the original length times the change in temperature, which is T2 minus T1. So when this crosses this, since we are just looking for L, it is going to be L original plus coefficient of linear expansion times original length times T2 minus T1. So plugging in these values in this equation, what we are going to have is L is equal to 30 meters plus the coefficient of linear expansion. The coefficient of linear expansion is 1.2 times 10 to the power negative 6 per degrees Celsius, and times, which is this 30 original length, times the change in temperature, which is 57 degrees Celsius minus degrees Celsius. So when we punch on the calculator, here, what we're going to have is L is equal to 30.0108. So this is what we are going to get, and when we round this off, we are going to have 30.01 meters. So this is the increase in length that is going to occur when the iron railway, which was 30 meters long, when the temperature increases from 27 to 57 degrees, this is the linear expansion, or rather, this is the new length that we're going to find. Thank you so much.